In a woodwork practical, Jennifer cut a wooden block of length 15 cm, breadth 10 cm, and height 6 cm as shown below. So we can take time and look at the wooden block that was cut by Jen. The same information given above is translated into a diagram down below here. Okay, after you have studied the diagram, now we can go to the actual question, which is given that the density of the wooden block is 0.05 grams per centimeter cubic. Find its mass. Okay, so what we need to do is to find its mass, the mass of this block. So to calculate the mass of this block, we are going to use the formula which is mass is equal to density times volume. Okay, so what is density? The density is given is 0.05 grams per centimeter cubic times, then what is the volume? So we are not given the volume, so to find the volume we are going to multiply the measurements given, these. Okay, so what we'll do is we're going to say 6 centimeter times 15 centimeter times 10 centimeter. Okay, which should give us, so when you multiply 6 times 15 will give us 90. 90 times 10 will give us 900. Okay, so centimeter times centimeter, that is centimeter squared, times centimeter, that is centimeter cubic. So we're going to have centimeter cubic. If you know the unit for volume, you don't have to multiply the centimeter. So we're going to say 900 centimeter cubic, that is the volume. So this one we can just cancel the 2 zeros from 900, and then this we cancel also these decimal points and the 0 there, so that it gives us 5, a whole number. Okay, if there are 2 zeros and we have a decimal place that you have got 2 decimal places into another number, that means we can turn this number to be a whole number. Okay, so we just say, now we remain with the 5 grams per centimeter cubic. Here it shouldn't be squared, that is cubic, times 9 centimeter cubic. Okay, so that means we multiply 5 times 9 will give us 45. Okay, now look at this. When we have 5 grams, okay, per centimeter cubic times, that will be centimeter cubic, like this. So this one will cancel each other out, leaving us with grams. So the answer is 45 grams. Okay, this other centimeter cubic is a denominator. Here it is on top, so you just cancel the one which is up and down. Or if you know the unit for mass, you just know that it's grams. So the answer is 45 grams.